Welcome to the new weekly Harmonic scanner analysis. This week there was no too much bad patterns formed on the chart detected by the Harmonic scanner, but there is only one that I have found that is in line with the current trend, and also I have made a technical analysis putting the support and the resistance levels on the chart. You can see it is a 4-hour time frame for the euro against HKD, and this is a bullish bad pattern that has been formed on the chart. It is a large potential reversal zone. We can see that here it is a gray area where the entry level is here and the stop loss level is here. Let's make the analysis and also see how the price is behaving. Is this bullish pattern is in line with the trend? Is there a potential that it will be a profitable and successful, or we could skip this one? First of all, the first rule is always to detect the trend. On the 4-hour time frame on which the pattern has been created, currently we have a strong bullish trend formed on the chart, and the price has reversed back down, moving slightly down. So this is some kind of a small downtrend formed in this large uptrend. After that, the Harmonic scanner has detected this bullish bad pattern formed with the large here potential reversal zone. First of all, this large potential reversal zone is not always very good because it's too wide, and we can see the entry level is just here where the price could not manage to go all the way down, but it has inside this potential reversal zone. A potential reversal zone means there is a potential that the price somewhere in this area reverses and continues to move in the direction of the pattern. And in this case, the price has reached slightly inside this area of potential reversal zone and moved in the direction of the trend, which means in the direction of the bullish bad pattern. The price has reached the first take profit level, reaching this area of resistance and then bouncing back down. And we can see the price has formed a bearish pin bar here. Now, the stop loss level is right here. First of all, I would like to have this potential reversal zone slightly narrow. For example, if the entry level is here and this is the area potential reversal zone, this would be much better approach for me. But in this case, this bullish pattern has been formed like in this example, so we need to pay attention. Will it be good for trading or it will not? First of all, this is the D point where the pattern has been created, and there is support level right here. This is the red line. So in this case, I would pay attention to enter into trade in this area, around this area here, which means from the D point to the here support level. This is the area for me potential reversal zone. This potential reversal zone that goes all the way here is too wide, and there is a support level, another one, second one that needs to be broken in order to reach this area of entry level for the blue line. So I would make like this one. I would change this one and follow the market now and make the analysis. Now in this case, if the price goes below this area of support, I would put this one here, a support level and also a stop loss. So if the price goes below this area of support, this means this will be activated and this bullish bad pattern would be a failed one. But in this case, we can see the price has reached potential reversal zone, not touching this area of support, but it has bounced back up, continuing to rise in value and reaching the first take profit level. Now, first take profit level, I would move slightly below this area of resistance, because if the price reaches the resistance level, this will be reached. After the price could reach, then I would target the next take profit level, which could be also here below this area of resistance, but I would also leave it like this. Why is that? Because you can see most of the time when the price goes up, it reaches this area of resistance. In this case, the price is rising in value, not stopping here, but stopping here. After that, the price was moving down, reaching in lower levels. We can see this area of support was a pretty strong one. The price is bouncing back up. In the next attempt, the price was trying to move down and then returning back again. And also this area of support is pretty strong one. But we can see in this case, when the price was moving down, there was more selling pressure than it is a buying pressure. So this area of resistance was not so important. When the price is moving down, it's very important to know what is a strong support level. In this case, this line is acting much stronger as a support than it is acting as a resistance when the price is moving up. So pay attention. This line could be a strong support, but could be a weak resistance. It's very important to know in which direction the price is moving. If the price is moving up, which means the bullish trend, this area of resistance needs to be very strong from the past to prevent the price from reaching higher price levels. In this case, this was not very strong. This was also not very strong, because this bullish trend was strong enough to push the price all the way, but the next one is a pretty strong one. So that's why I would like to put here a resistance level, because the price is still in the bullish mode. I am expecting that the price reaches higher price levels. So when the price starts to rise in value, I am not expecting that this area of resistance will, and also this area of resistance, will prevent the price from reaching higher price levels that strongly. And we can see the price was the first attempt, then I'm expecting that the price will try to reach higher price levels and then moving down. For now, the price has reached the first take profit level, so I would move my stop loss just above the entry level. So if the price goes against me, which means returns back down, I would exit from this trade with a small profit. So it is best to have a small profit, then wait for the price to go from the profit to the loss, and then make this bullish bad pattern, which was successful, at least half of it, and then becomes a failed one. So it is the best to get out from the trade with small profit and wait for another opportunity, because we can see Harmonic scanner detects many of them. So for now, I would act like this. So I would leave this one as it is like this and see how the price will behave for the next week. For now, stop loss is here above the entry level, and the take profit level 2 is here. So let's see how the price behaves for the next week. If you have any examples of the pattern that you have, also the tracking, and you also following, feel free to share that inside the comment and also inside the Telegram group. You can check the Telegram group, free, it's one below in the description, and join other traders. And if you would like, feel free to share with the traders, so we can also discuss together to see, is this bullish pattern in line with the trend, technical analysis, does it confirm the stop loss, take profit level, the entry level, and then you can also make a decision. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.